Alright, so she's all done. Running really good. All tuned. Carburettor's all tuned. And yeah, so now it's just ride the bike and enjoy it. Stop freaking working on it so much. She is a beauty. Can't beat an old school carburetor. Let's see. Start this thing up. Look at this. Starts right up. Purrs like a kitten. And she freaking pulls on the highway like you won't believe. Purrs like a kitten, smooth, loud as hell like it should be, obnoxious. Carburetor is nice and went from 165 jet to 175. Didn't have any other small ones, but she likes it there. 175 main jet. Pulls like a mother.